and welcome to a very special subscription box unboxing, Causebox. I have been so very looking forward to this. I wanted it so badly last season. It is a seasonal type box, so instead of monthly, it comes every three months. And it had an item in it that I loved so much, and I was like, yes, it's gonna be today. This is what I'm gonna get, and it never worked out in my budget. It was such a bummer. So then I finally had it, the wiggle room in my budget. The box was sold out. You could buy the objects separately, but it cost the same as a box. So got some referrals, got some coupons, and all of a sudden, now I have a subscription. Speaking of referrals, there is a code down below for you. This video is not sponsored, but it is a referral code. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I love the beautiful art of boxes. So each box does come with a booklet. Our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. So I really like the quality of these books. They have an actual paper feel. They're not plasticky. And they not only talk about the items in the box, but the artisans that create them, the different things that they support, as well as different ways you can use different things, and some fun little like cutouts and printables, recipes that actually make sense rather than have a million ingredients you've never heard of. Oh, a little quote card. There is a deep and meaningful story behind every product in Causebox. It's a joy to share these stories with you, a member who cares about the people and places behind each item. So there's a little bit more. Yeah, so I'll put a $10 off code down below. When you share your story with someone, it becomes part of their story too. I love that. I'm going to pop that in a tiny frame. So this is absolutely packed. And because I'm an annual subscriber, I did get to make some of the choices myself. Ugh. And then there are some surprises. So, all right. So first, Fosteria. This is a necklace. Yes. This necklace was proudly and ethically made by members of a vulnerable population in Medellin in safe working conditions and compensated justly under a fair payment policy for labor. And it is beautiful. It's a gold tone with a beautiful gold bar. And let's get it out of the plastic so you guys can see a little easier too. So it's just a simple gold bar. There's no engravings, no pictures on it, but it is stunning. And I love the faux diamond effects. That's absolutely beautiful. I think it's going to look very pretty. And I do like pretty simple necklaces. I love the look of chunky necklaces, but I got a tiny head. I got a weird shaped body. It just doesn't work for me. Oh, and this is the art print for this section. And it's actually a postcard. That is beautiful. I love florals. I would cover myself in them all the time. So it is a little postcard. So you can share the love or frame it. Let's see. The Sustainable Grocery Starter Kit. So this set is a Sustainable Grocery Starter Kit. 5 different pieces made of 100% cotton. Artisan made in India. So it is kind of just tied together here. So I'm assuming maybe shopping bags or maybe like storage bags for different grocery items. Yes. So they are cool storage bags that you can put different vegetables in, sometimes fruits and vegetables. And they are just a nice way to store them in a dark pantry, keep them kind of divided up. So there are breathable ones, smaller. Oh, beautiful mess. And then some opaque ones for those guys that cannot get too much light. I'm looking at you, potatoes sprouting all the time. So I think that'll be really helpful. And I love the nice natural colors. There's not a bunch of dye on it. So I do like that quite a bit. I also use them for other things. I even use them for laundry bags sometimes. I have a regular cotton one that drawstrings like that. And then I tie the drawstring over the top and it makes a perfect lingerie bag. And this is my new Bango. I couldn't remember which color I picked because I was so torn because the colors were so beautiful. I went with the pink. I love this shade of pink. So it has the little band that not only helps keep it extra secure, it has a little lid that pops off easily, though the food storage part does not. So this helps keep it secure, and then you can also put like napkins or anything else like that right on it. And if you don't have a lot of extras, you can stretch the band this way, and there are little divots in here. Or if you do have a lot of extras, you can turn it the other way. So then inside, it has the cutlery. It is really nice and thick, like it's not even like bending very much. You got a proper fork, spoon, and knife with the little holders. And then opens up, so it is just a miniature kind of one layer bento. What I am assuming, unless it stacks. Will you stack? Let's give it a try. Okay, so it does stack. It can either be used as a one-way, or you can stack the pieces like so. So then your cutlery is at this level. This is your proper lid. It's all sealed in nicely, and then snaps together. And then the band goes around the middle. So you can store a whole lot of food in not a lot of space. I'm super excited for when schools open back up to take this to work. But I'm really happy for that. That's super duper fun, and it's gonna be really, really useful as well. All right, this is the order they have to be in to get it to all lay in flat. Knife in the middle. So, love these. That will really, really help. I ended up returning my lunchbox last year because it was just not big enough for the containers I have. And this would have fit really quite well, which is all right. I can always get a new lunchbox if and when that comes up. So, thankfully they have the directions. That was awesome. Next, the Calm Mood Mix. Ooh, Calm is in hollow. Ooh, girl. Can I focus? Can I focus? Look at that. Ooh. Okay. So, a mood mist. A gentle, natural way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy. So, it's got witch hazel, lavender, bergamot, and some frankincense. I usually don't find frankincense super calming. Oh, it's pretty. It's a little swirly. In the spirit of all things good. Check that out. Ooh. It's got like a warmth and a spice, and it's a little citrus too. I know. I take my glasses off because I always spray myself a little bit when I spray. Just, whew. Oh, that's nice. That's like calming and yet whoop, uplifting at the same time. I like that. Sorry. My camera doesn't know that I have a face if I don't have my glasses on, I have discovered. So that is really nice. I'd advise not putting it on your face just because it doesn't say that it can go on your face, right? Miss the soothing scent when your body needs to focus, center, and unwind. It's when you need a moment of relaxation before meditation and on your pillow for a good night's sleep. Interesting. Cool. I like it. I don't usually like frankincense quite this much, but it works. It's super light. Smell more of the bergamot and lavender. It's very lavender heavy. It's nice. I like it. Okay. Next. Oh, this planner. The Self-Care Planner by Simple Self. A 13-week daily wellness and goal planner with a 6-step personal self-care plan, start and end self-assessments, 1 day to a page layout, weekly planning and habit training, quotes and all sorts of stuff. There's lots of stuff. There's lots of stuff in here. So I checked this brand out previously when I saw that it was going to be here. This is something I picked. The cover's a little beat up, but I'm thinking, you know, I'm going to beat it up anyway, so I don't super mind. Let's take a peek. Beautiful, bright, crisp light. And all right, so it's got goals for work, well-being, relationships, recreation, finances, and spirituality. Holy moly. Like if you are a note taker, data spanner, this is for you. I am currently working on a well-being journal. This one, much cheaper from the Target. Paper quality is not awesome. Box is really, really tiny, but I liked having it separate better than having it in like my normal everyday planner, having my teacher planner, all of thatness. So it was just a lot easier for me to do it like that. I've also done the Blogilates one, which I do love. I adore it. And that one is much more strictly fitness with a little bit of wellness. This is a lot more on wellness and self-care and overall goals. So I'm super excited to use this one after I'm finished with this other one. Ooh, oh, a tiny box. This box is packed. Earth Harbor Aqua or Reparative. Oh, thank you. Reparative Eye Cream with seaweed, collagen, and blue tansy. Ooh, and it is a... So it is non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan with no synthetic, no gluten, no GMOs, no soy, woman-owned, fair trade, small batch, handmade by mermaids. I dig that. I think it's going to be really fun. I love me some eye creams. I love skincare in general. Ooh, and it's this pretty green color. Can you see how dark green it is? I think it's coming up a little light on camera. It's a little bit darker in person. Ooh. Oh, it's very citrusy smelling, which I was not expecting, but I love it. It's like a tropical, like a drink, like grapefruit. Ah, grapefruit. Okay. So I don't think I can really show y'all the texture super well. It's creamy and yet looks like a bit of an oil, and I don't completely know. It's got aloe vera juice, it's got cane alcohol, it's got fruit oil, it's got vegan hyaluronic acid, it's got a whole lot in it. So I'm assuming it's going to take a very small amount to actually utilize this. That's right. I got a purse. Oh, I don't remember what color I picked. Gray. Okay, I got the gray purse. They had, okay, let's go on. Last one. All right, bag itself is 100% biodegradable. That's awesome. Take an adventure, yeah! That's why it's gotta be the last item, thank goodness. And, oh, it says Pixie Mood. That is adorable. I love that. Alright, let's get some of the packaging out. And let's see, here you go. Here are the bag itself. Really nice, kind of roomy, but like set off pocket. I think it'll probably soften in with time. Absolutely luxurious vegan leather going on here. I love it. See, the top is gonna zip close. Okay. Bobo. I don't think that's necessary. Whew, it's quarantine though, right? So it does zip across the top. Inside is really nice and roomy. And there are some side pockets. There looks to be like a little bit of adhesive in here, which is a little weird, but I'll try to wash it and see how that goes. And then there is a, great, now you go. And there is a zipper pocket in there. And micro bag. Okay. So I think all in all, super duper cute bag. It's going to be big enough for like my wallet, but probably not quite like my tablet, which is a little unfortunate because I really want a cute vegan bag that will fit my tablet but not look like a laptop case. I want to find something like this, but like just slightly bigger. But I'm really, really happy with this. It feels super, super luxe. Oh, the lining is made out of recycled plastic bottles, 100% plastic bottles. So super duper happy. I'm going to set it all up, clean up my mess, and entertain that baby. So I love you all so, so much. I hope you are doing well. Bye-bye.